In today's video, we're diving into the world of document management by exploring 3 of the best document reader apps for Android. If you often handle PDFs, Word files, or presentations, these apps will help you read and manage your documents with ease. Join us as we take a closer look at their features and see how they can make your life easier. Document Reader PDF Editor. Document Reader PDF Editor is a versatile app designed for viewing and editing PDF documents on Android devices. This app offers a smooth and user-friendly interface, allowing users to easily navigate through their PDF files. Key features include text highlighting, annotation tools, and the ability to fill out forms, making it a great choice for users who need to review or comment on documents. In addition, the app supports various file formats, enabling users to open not only PDFs but also images and other document types. Overall, Document Reader PDF Editor is ideal for professionals and students alike who require an efficient way to manage their documents. All Document Reader and Viewer. All Document Reader and Viewer is an all-in-one app that supports a wide range of file formats, including PDFs, Word documents, Excel sheets, and presentation files. This app provides a simple and intuitive interface, making it easy to browse through documents quickly. Users can open files from their device's storage or cloud services, ensuring convenience and accessibility. The app also features tools for searching text within documents, zooming in and out for detailed views, and bookmarking important pages. With its comprehensive support for multiple formats, All Document Reader and Viewer is perfect for anyone who frequently handles various types of documents. Document Reader PDF, DOC, PPT. Document Reader PDF, DOC, PPT is a dedicated app for reading and managing documents like PDFs, Word files, and PowerPoint presentations. It offers an organized interface that allows users to access their documents effortlessly. Key features include the ability to view multiple formats, support for zooming and rotating pages, and quick navigation options. The app also enables users to share documents easily via email or messaging apps, enhancing collaboration. With its focus on document accessibility, this app is great for students, educators, and business professionals who need to read and present materials on their Android devices. Thank you for watching our video on the best document reader apps for Android. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful content. See you next time.